Hey guys, it's Rachel, the creator of Fit29, and today we're going to show you some body weight exercises that you can do at your house that also give you some low impact options. So I have my mom here today, and she's going to be doing the low impact options while I do the regular exercise. So if you want to get fit while you're staying at home being quarantined, keep watching this video. Burpees. So while I'm doing the regular burpee, my mom's going to be doing the low impact version. And again, each exercise you do in this video, you're going to be doing for 30 seconds. But for time wise, we're just going to show you how to do the exercise yourself. So here we go. Ready? Go. Which is high knees. So again, you're going to be doing this exercise for 30 seconds, and we're just going to show you how to do the exercise yourself. So my mom will be doing the low impact version, and I will be doing the regular high knees. All right, ready and go. For exercise number 3, I'm going to be doing PLYO lunges while my mom does reverse lunges. And again, you're doing this exercise for 30 seconds. Ready and go. Moving on to exercise number 4, it's called skaters. So here we go. Now we're moving on to exercise number 5, and for this exercise we're going to be doing mountain climbers. So again, my mom will be doing the low impact version, and I will be doing the regular version of mountain climbers. And you're doing this exercise for 30 seconds. All right, ready? Let's go down on our mat. The next exercise is called SUITCASES. So my mom will be using her hands on the mat for support while I don't use my hands on the mat, and we will just be pushing out, in, out, in. All right, you ready? We have Princeton here, who's our little helper today. All right, ready and go. Guys, now we're down to the last 2 exercises, and this one is called bicycle crunches. So my mom is going to be doing the standing bicycle crunch while I do the regular bicycle crunches on the mat. All right? Ready and go. All right, guys, now we're on to the final exercise, which is tricep dips. So we have my mom again doing the low impact version, and I will be doing the regular version of tricep dips. All right, ready and begin. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the workout. You have the low impact version of the exercise that you can do, and you have the regular version. I want to give a big thank you to my mom for being part of this video, and I hope you guys are staying safe and at home during the quarantine, and we'll see you next time for more Fit29 workout videos. Bye!